Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share my today plan. So basically, today I am going to do two things. So number one is create a slider that is reflects any Shopify slider ultimately, and there will not require any slider app to create a professional slider. And another thing is that I'm going to create video slider. So in this both slider, my goal is to reflect Shopify app so that Shopify user don't have to pay for anything like subscription based monthly payment for using any premium slider. And also I got an invitation to make a promotional video for one of the Shopify app company or agency. They actually make a awesome app. So as a Shopify developer, this is my today routine, and I want to make maximum useful content for all of the Shopify user, as I am making content from last 6 years. And here, AI changing everything. That's why I have to update all the tutorials based on latest technology and update of AI. So let's go back my room and share more details. So right now I'm on my room. See, and going to open my computer and going to start everything. So hope you will stay connected and subscribe in my YouTube channel to learn everyday new tips, tutorials, and grow your business. So let's get started. So I'm going to connect the electricity in here. Okay. Then choose on it. Yes. And here is the ready everything. And open my computer. Yes. And finally, I'm in here. So let's start and start making the two main mega slider, one for image, one for video. So let's see.